Oh boy. Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we are making my favorite Sunday morning treat, Marilyn's famous granola. And here's the ingredients you'll need. So first, we're going to preheat our oven to 350. And after that, we're going to combine every single ingredient. And now we're going to mix it all together really good. Now that it's mixed, we're going to spread it on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now we're going to put this beautiful granola in the center rack in the oven and cook it for and bake it for 12 minutes. I'm bored. I know what to do. Okay, so we're going to issue a challenge for my brother. Come on. Maxie! Well,
what is it?
Well, if you look at me for a second, I've got a challenge for you. So you are going to make a bowl out of Legos and a spoon, so I can eat out of it with the granola I'm making. Do you accept? Is that a yes?
Yes!
All right, get started. You have 24 minutes.
So I'm thinking of making...
So you gotta build some walls?
I'm thinking of making a tight space down here. And then, well, not that, but this. Put a tight space right here. Then make it go bigger from putting it like that, and then put some Legos in the middle to keep it up. So that's what I'm going to start doing right now.
So now that it's been 12 minutes, we're gonna open the oven, get the granola out, and flip it, and then put it back in the oven for another 12 minutes. But when you're flipping it, try not to get granola everywhere because that would be a mess and your mom would not like it. Okay? Okay.
It's a little easier than you think. You're really just wanting to move them around a bit. It's not about, flipping it or anything. Okay. Now just spread it evenly and you're done.
And I called Mom on the reinforcements because I was having a little bit of trouble. Now let's put it back in the oven for another 12 minutes. Ugh. Hot. I wonder how Max is doing. Let's check in on him. Hey, buddy. You doing good? Yeah. Ooh, looking good. Can't wait to eat out of that thing.
Talk to us. What's going on?
And there's like a piece there, so what I usually do to get them out is just throw them off the wall.
Wow.
That'll be my new dance, actually. if we do dances. Oh, and now it's out. Okay, we're done with this spoon and bowl. We're gonna take it out to Zoe and see if she can eat granola out of it. Hey Zoe, I'm done.
Thank you.
And I had enough time to add a handle to the spoon.
So tell her what you did. Show her, explain to
So
her.
I made it like a thin spot down there, and then made it just tall with a bunch of those, 2x2 ones. And then for the spoon, I added a long, short one with a lot of. You can see.
I love it. You did really good with the spoon. I like the spoon.
Hey, Zoe, you ready to eat some granola with your Lego spoon ball?
Yeah. I guess.
Oh, I'll get that off.
Thank you.
Don't drop it.
Thank you. Oh my
Oh
god.
my
Look at that
gosh.
spoon.
We are doing a little bit of sanitizing.
Oops. Because you never know where these Legos has been. Because me and Max get them apart from. So.
Which we do not like. Okay.
Both of y'all probably got yuck mouth.
All right. The timer's about to go off.
Oh boy. I'm kind of nervous. All right, our granola is done. So we're gonna take it out, let it cool, and put it in an airtight container like this. But first, before we do all that stuff that I just said, we're gonna eat it out of Max's Lego bowl.
Where's Max?
Doing Legos?
You gotta tell us what you're doing.
So, right now I'm putting the granola in.
That's enough.
Really?
Yeah, you're about to eat lunch.
Okay.
I want some too.
So we don't know.
It will probably leak, but that's okay.
Okay, you're gonna need a smaller spoon.
Tell us what you're doing.
Wait, you have a Lego spoon.
She got a Lego spoon. She gotta try it. All right, Max. Hold on.
Milk.
Milk
Put
time.
milk in. Here's the.
Oh boy. Gotta eat it fast! Oh gosh.
She successfully pulled it off.
All the milk is gone, but... Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. He's the best. So make sure you like and subscribe to his new channel. Wink wink. And mine. And like and subscribe. Not just subscribe. And we'll find the link to his channel in the description below. In the description below. And thank you for watching. Also, if you're new to these videos, welcome to the Kitch family. Short, aka the kitchen family. Well, I hope you liked this video. Bye!